Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to reset all search settings in the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. If you have customized your search preferences or want to restore everything to default, first, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Settings to access the DuckDuckGo browser configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find the option called Private Search. Tap on Private Search to open more search-related controls. Next, tap on More Search Settings to see advanced search options. Then scroll down until you see the option to reset all search settings. Finally, click on Reset All Search Settings and confirm your choice by tapping Yes. Once this is done, all of your search preferences in DuckDuckGo will be restored to their default values. This process is simple and ensures that any changes you made, including safe search filters and region preferences, are fully reset.